Welcome back, YouTube family. This is SUBZERU Vlogs, back here with another video just for you guys. Man, I am so excited, guys. I finally get to review a Corvette for the channel. If you guys are unfamiliar, Corvettes are my favorite cars, and this is going to be the very first Corvette that I review and will review on my channel. So I'm so excited to give you guys this video and show you guys exactly how awesome this car is, and C5Zs are as well. Let's have a good one. Let's get to the video. Let's get it. Peace. All right, let's get going. Yes, yes, I am so happy, guys. I know it's supposed to be a review, but I am so excited to have this video for you guys. All right, y'all, so this is a 2003 Chevy Corvette C5Z. Like I was saying, this car is 700 rear whip horsepower, guys, to the wheels. It's 615 pound-feet of torque. These C5Zs come with an LS6 engine, guys. What my neighbor decided to do is he wanted to get lots of power, so we fully built the block, forged internals, put a supercharger on it, intake, radiator, everything, the works, guys. It's completely built, probably about $30,000-$40,000 of just the engine and power mods in this vehicle, guys. So far, what I love about these superchargers is that if you want to just drive very calmly, if you want to drive just every day, you don't have to be on the power. Like, it's very easy to drive. But if you want power, it's definitely there for you, which I really enjoy. But so far, these seats aren't too bad. Like I said, this is a 2003. Now, one thing I will say about Corvettes, they age very well. Personally, in my opinion, I think C5Zs and C6Zs are some of the most beautiful cars in the market. I think the C7 is probably going to age one of the best, in my opinion, especially the Z06, mainly because the styling is just, it's a mixture of retro, new. It's kind of, it's going to last a long time. Now, this car, the one thing I do not like about this car per se is definitely that the throws, I think a short throw shifter will feel really great. If you guys can see, the shifts are very long. It takes, you know, it's long to have to go and shift it in. So it's not necessarily a bad thing, but it just doesn't feel like you can really shift and go as quick as you can. You know, that ZL11LE and my Subaru WRX, they both have short throw shifters and modifications to make them faster. So definitely getting something like that will definitely help overall. For residential area, but yeah, the power can get to you very easy. Y'all have no idea, man. The last time I drove a Corvette, other than this Corvette, has been the accident, man. So me being able to get another Corvette again, being able to drive one, it really means a lot to me, guys. And that's definitely a goal of mine. Is I've been saying I need to get another Vette, man. So I've been saving up and trying to work. Let's get to it. Let's go on the freeway real quick. Little backside street here. Yes! Oh, let's go! Let's go! I'm about to turn Super Saiyan up. Woo! Super Saiyan up in this. Yeah! And that supercharger. Woo! This is insane, man. I'm so happy, man. One more time, thanks to my friend, man, for letting me drive his car. If you guys want to be featured on the channel, definitely in the comments below, let me know. Or you can hit up my IG at SUBZERU_, guys. I really want to showcase a lot of people's cars. A few of the people that they didn't want their face in the video. But if you guys want, I would love to showcase you guys, have you guys talk about your cars, talk about your builds. I think doing videos about these type of things, doing reviews, but also having other videos where it's not necessarily me driving, but me just talking to you, asking you what you like about your car, what you don't like, the mods that you have going on, and just showcasing drivers, because I feel like don't highlight the people behind the cars and really get to know them. So overall, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And man, guys, I hope these videos are fun. I really want you guys to enjoy these. I really enjoy doing these. And everyone have a blessed day, have a great day, and make your dreams your reality, guys. Have a great day. Peace.